Look at that, guys. We cook chicken with potatoes. This is with onion, garlic, ginger, black pepper, soy sauce, and later we put the fish. When already cooked, and then we will put fish. That's vinegar, little vinegar with lemon. Now we put the pichay. This chicken is with potatoes and pichay. This is pichay. Ayan. At that, guys. So, then later we put this lemon. Yeah. And little vinegar, okay? So, chicken with liver and meat. So, yan. It's it. It comes on. Looks delicious. Like cover it, guys. And wait 10 minutes, guys. Okay, thank you.